Season 87. Balingit. Scoring.
When you activate a middle blocker like Amy Provido, it will definitely create a lot of problems on defense for UE.
Balingit. Double block was there. Laput and Provido working hand in hand.
When you activate a middle blocker like Amy Provido, it will definitely create a lot of problems on defense for UE.
Balingit. Double block was there. Laput and Provido working hand in hand. Si Coach RDJ dyan sa service and receives. In the meantime, Canino flying in and putting it down.
In receiving, and yun yung talaga nagsiset us apart dun sa mga magagaling na outside hitters.
And Del Castillo.
From the coaching staff. But like I said, every challenge they've given her has only made her stronger.
Service ace for Angel Canino.
When that brick ball happened at their last game, that joke at training translated. Angel later on said, wala, impulse lang. Kasi sabi ni coach, kapag ganon, itala ko lang sa zone 1. Kaya pinalo ko.
Comfortable lead so far for DLSU. Another sharp serve. Misreceive. Micol sending it to the slide. Great save by Zamudio. Chance ball DLSU. This time Reyes to Aliyah Malaluan.
Aliyah Malaluan.
For the split block, but again, she is a fighter. Kaya kahit na may double block siya, she will continue to swing for UE.
Angel Reyes has been playing really good defense. Malaluan from the open. They target Canino. Malaluan, slowed down by the blockers. Chance ball Lasal. The toss to Aliyah. Once again, Reyes. Solid dig. Cepada. Straight to the other side. Big chance for UE. Zamudio will try. Nice rebound by Bangayan. Kai Cepada naman. Aliyah. Oh, finds a way.
Aliyah Malaluan.
Not the best of hits.
Zamudio pinabawi. Those double blocks have been intimidating on the side of LaSalle.
Have to give Nogales some attempts, because when you take a look at the right pin of LaSalle, that's Shivana Laput. Sa left naman, that's Aliyah Malaluan. So matatangkad yung mga blockers talaga ng LaSalle. That's why they're getting a lot of defensive stops in the opening set. Our skill categories already. 4 kill blocks for LaSalle, 1 service ace. Hindi pa natin na isasama dyan lahat ng mga shank pass from a UE.
Laput squeezing it past the blockers of UE.
Sa net defense, 4 blocks. She also scored 4 aces.
Canino in the meantime. Great coverage. Ecalia to Cepada rather, and Casey Cepada just trying to find ways to score here for UE. Usually serving as a service specialist. Canino off the block.
Angel Canino.
The Lady Spikers bumped to Ash Cañete. Laput approaches.
22 serving 11.
That has been the main focus of the timeouts of the Lady Warriors. We have to get that first pass. We have to be consistent.
Van Bangayan has been that source of life here. Ecalia, tough back set. Denied by the double block.
It's a block point.
Del Castillo and Canino.